Well, hello and welcome to the last part of the vCenter appliance deployment, and as you can see we're finally ready, sorta. And on the RAM and the CPU side of things, my computer could not hold it at all. So it doesn't go anywhere, as you can see. It's loading, it's been loading like that for a while now. Disks at 100% all the time, nothing has changed for over 30 minutes now. I tried from the host itself, from the domain controller, and as you can see I got stuck. It let me log in and such, but that's how far I could go. It doesn't load, RAM's being an issue, disk is being an issue, it's bottlenecking me, so I don't think there's anywhere else to go. It's just the limit. We got to the limit, the very, very limit of the system. There's literally nothing else I can do other than staring at this screen. It doesn't go anywhere. I even tried from Windows Server, but it doesn't work either. It doesn't read the domain, so yeah, we're kind of stuck. It doesn't let us go anywhere. As you can see, it's just painfully slow. RAM's just not gonna hold up, which is a shame. But I can say that I haven't tried, because I did try. I tried and it doesn't work. Simple as that. It just doesn't want to go anywhere. I could even try like upping the RAM a little bit. The odds were not too high. Like, honestly, it's just far too slow right now. There's no miracle I could save that. Try to shut down, forced shut down, see if it helps. It's not a very smart idea to turn off the main controller like that, but well, as you can see, it's like I haven't done anything. The message is not even coming up warning me that if I do that, system's gonna turn off within a minute. It just doesn't. I mean, it's insane. My disk's just not gonna cope. Like, why is it at 100%? That's what I don't get. Why? Why is it forcing my disk like crazy like that? It does not make any sense. If we go there, oh, we sign out finally. Okay, so I might as well have some extra hope now, but I don't think so. So when the server is going down, this one and this one's going down as well. We can up the RAM then and hope for the best, but 100%, that's definitely not what you look forward to at all. It's no good though. That's for sure. It's certainly not a good thing. I could even try getting to remote console, and I could probably fix it, but what do I know? So Windows Server is going finally. One of them, the main controllers, going down soon enough. I should try Alt F1, which it's Control Alt F1 actually. Should click on it. It's better. And then we log in as root. Oh, no, I don't want to mess around with Intel HD graphics things. Okay, my mouse doesn't work now. Oh, it does work. It's just that root, and then we type. Will it even let me? Oh, I think I got the wrong password. Yes, seems like it. Okay. Hold on for a second, guys. Let me just Okay, that's better. Y'all hold on there. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. We're figuring this out at some point. Alright, I know what you do now. Alright, there you go. So, show. Alright. Oh, we made it there. Great. It's not that. Surprisingly enough, it's not that. So what is causing that? What is making my disk go insane? If not the logs. What could it be? Not too big. Probably not that as well. What is it then? It does not make sense. Still using 100%. Maybe we should just aim for a reboot, a system reboot. That could be the best way to fix it. From all the other things, I think that's our best bet. So we're gonna go and then reboot now. I hope it works. I mean, the odds ain't really high, but we gotta try something. So we're gonna be rebooting that and managing the disk usage as well, because I want to see what's going on there. It just doesn't make sense. Virtual machine settings, let's go with 2 gigs of RAM, which is decent for Windows Server. And then we can boot back up. Let's first take a look at what it's doing. Okay, it made a stop job. It's gonna stop RPC bind service. Okay, that's when we should actually start this one, because I have a perfect timing, because then it's gonna run at 100% again at some point. Disk usage, I mean disk usage wise, I don't know, maybe it's made to do that, you know, write data all the time, but I simply don't get why it would be like that. And then back to the main controller. Okay, it's starting. Not too bad. This one's still running the stop job. Disk still at 100% though. That's worrisome. That's really worrisome. But Let's see. Okay, Windows still starting. Still running a stop job for a few things. VMware service compatibility lifecycle manager. Is it really gonna use all my disk like that? It's not fair. I mean, how can we manage that in a local lab like that then if it's always gonna be using the drive? Should I use maybe should do that because you share and install it somewhere else like in my server. Use my my actual SAN for that. Who knows? Still stuck. It's not good. It's definitely not good. Still running a stop job. It's probably because the main controller is not up. It's not gonna pick up the domain controller information because there's no domain controller. Oh boy. Talk about a painful setup thingy here because it's got past that already. It's beyond insane now. Still, please wait. Oh my god, come on. It has no limit. It has the stop job going on, but it has no limit. Just stop. It just... Wow. Oh, so 3 minutes. And the other one has no limit at all. It's just... Start job. It's a stop job. Why is it running a start job if it's meant to be a stop job? Dude. Local session manager. Okay, this one. It's good to go. Okay, not quite. Not quite as good, but... Wait for user service. This one's still 7 minutes? What do you mean? Oh my god. I gotta be kidding me. You know what? Whatever, dude. Whatever. If it breaks, it breaks. I don't care. At this point, I just don't care. If it breaks, it breaks. Simple as that. I'm just gonna shut it down straight. Yeah. It's probably not the best idea, that's for sure. Still using 100% disk. What? Okay, so if it's not... it doesn't make sense. It doesn't add up. My brain's trying to figure out. Like, the machine's off. Why is it still using 100%? Hello? Okay, so maybe a Windows server is the... Maybe a Windows server was the one to blame. Oh, never thought about that. Could actually be Windows server. Nah, it's definitely not. Usage... It could. Yeah, it definitely could. So run task manager. It doesn't have a disk activity pane out there. Doesn't make sense. Why is it not disk? Nope. Oh. So see host. Nah, it's definitely not. Okay, 0%. Okay, we're back to 0%. That's great. So it's definitely not the one to blame. Let's open Google Chrome before it's too late. You know, better keep it there. 99%. I don't know. There might be something wrong with my disk. I don't get it. I honestly don't get it. Okay, back to 28%. So now we have the Google Chrome ready. We can start vCenter again and pray. Pray for the Lords. I should change the RAM 1 GB. Oh, I know what could be going on. So RAM's not enough. It's trying to compensate for the lack of RAM memory. If that does make sense, let's try 8 gigs then. 8 gigs could work, but then we wouldn't have enough room for ESXi. It doesn't matter. I just wanted to teach you guys how to use the thing. It's probably that. So you can actually run with less RAM, but then your hard drive is going to be doing what your RAM's not doing. It's going to be working as some extra page file stuff, so it's always going to get your disk working. It's probably that's a bottleneck. So it does depend a lot on RAM memory, and that ain't good. No good stuff. So let's just, it's VCSA server appliance VMware 443. Wanna be ready. HTTPS 443. It's not gonna even show up, of course. It has just booted. It's still reading drives, making sure they work, but better be ready for that. So vCenter appliance, it's Control Alt F1, and then we're gonna see the screen, hopefully. Alt F1 maybe, then Control F1. No. Okay, maybe it's a matter of waiting still. And disk usage 100%. Not a fix, definitely not a fix. That's starting. That could be the reason why. I don't know. Do we have page? Nope. Still not operational. Do we have? Can we ping it? Run cmd. Let's see. Ping vcsa vm lab. It does respawn. Yeah, it's there. It's there somewhere, but still, one don't have a. Think we might have broken it. It doesn't go anywhere. Failed to connect to service. Use service control command. And they ain't no good. Hey, Alt F1, Alt F2. Oh, there you are. So it's Alt F2 to get there. Still using a lot of memory. I don't like that. Configure this appliance. Appliance is ready. We don't need configuring. We need to. Oh, there you go. Advanced. Proceed. Okay. Service failed to connect endpoint name pipe. Oh boy. It's normal. So here's the main appliance management. Not a main. It's like the bundled thingy. It's still loading, of course. We have just booted system, so let's take some time. And it's vSphere local administrator at vSphere.local, like that. And type in your password and log in if the system so lets you. There you go. No. Oh, so here we are. There's memory alert. Oh, appliance is running low on memory. Add more memory to the machine. Yeah, RAM's gonna be an issue. I wish you could do this whole thing without any of those issues, but we're gonna run through those at some point. It is quite sad. I wish things were different, but oh well. Yes, we gotta do what we gotta do, you know? We gotta use what we have. So memory is not good, but database okay, storage okay, swaps okay. We have a monitor there, so you can check CPU, memory, you can check the drive, network, database, and oh my god, 93 RAM. Oh rip, that's gonna be a rip. We ain't gonna be able to run ESXi, are we? Probably not. Probably not. RAM's definitely gonna be the bottleneck here. So access, SSH, enable, networking. We have a few settings there. We can host name, MAC address, stuff like that. Update time, firewall backup. There's a lot that we can manage to here. Yeah, it's a cool interface. I quite like it. I just wish we could actually make some good use with VMs and stuff. This one's still not ready. Still starting the appliance. It takes a little bit to start, that's for sure. It does take quite some time to load everything. I wish we could have a sort of like percentage or something just to keep track of how close we are to actually having the thing loaded, but soon enough it's gonna show. It's just a matter of waiting. Yeah, from now it's just gonna show this failed screen. Pipes, service spec, run VMware vPXT web server pipe. Oh yes. The RAM's gonna go crazy though. We're at 85 now. I wonder if we're gonna be able to launch ESXi. Just one host, because two, haha, forget about it. Definitely not gonna happen. But maybe one host is doable. That's what I plan. 87%. Oh my god. Yeah, we might be able to run just one single host. And that's pretty much what we can do. 88%. Oh my god, yeah, it's definitely not gonna happen. Oh, so it's showing the main screen. Welcome to thingy. We can load the client. Client's not ready yet. Great. So we have to wait a little bit more. And it doesn't tell when it's ready, so we gotta imagine. 91%, yeah. I'm sorry guys, but we're not gonna be able to fully use the vCenter thing. I'm not gonna be able to teach you guys how to use the host thing, how to add the hosts, because we just ain't got memory for that. 95% RAM. That's a big problem. 96%. I think we might have the interface now. No, we don't. It's gonna eat a little more RAM before we can use it. Jesus, 15.4, 15.9, 15.5, 97% RAM. Oh boy. 7%. Okay, might be ready now. If only. Nah, not ready. vSphere client. Oh, come on. Come on. No web page was found. Seriously. 97%. CPU's dying and it's not loading. Funny. Yikes. Still cannot find a page. Nice. Are we ready now? 98% RAM, probably. Oh yes. It's loading, so it means that it is working. Hopefully. Initializing. Seriously. It's gonna eat even more RAM. How sweet. My RAM's very happy about it, and so is my disk. Okay, so it might have initialized now. 0%. Okay. I like that. It's a good sign. If only meant something. Still loading it. And the RAM, 98%. Oh boy. Still initializing. What a day. 99%. What a joke. Found it. Add a little bit more. You gotta be kidding me. It's been 10 hours. And still initializing. You gotta be kidding me. No. Doesn't make sense. Oh, vSphere. Why? It takes so long. I mean, it was faster to install than to get it to initialize. If that does make any sense. Oh my god. Okay. Might be ready now. Almost. Oh my god. Why, VMware? Why? Why do you make it so hard to run this vCenter thing? Why? Look at that. Why is it so demanding? Use your web browser to find and download files. Oh my god. Is the Flex client initialized? I need Flash player. You gotta be kidding me. Okay, so it seems like it is ready now because... Oh, finally. Okay. So it took quite some time. But we finally got there. Yay! Let's go. So, administrator at vSphere local. And then password. Then we can finally log in. So yeah, no ESXi hosts because we got no RAM for that. But I can show you guys around. Show a little bit of the management options and the things you can and the things you cannot quite do. And as you can see, yeah, it's pretty slow. If you ain't got the proper hardware, it's just painfully slow. 47%. Okay, it's barely using like this now. Barely. Sorta. A pretty demanding application, that's for sure. It's not for amateurs. So you're gonna need some RAM, you're gonna need some extra time. Just set that up and install. It takes days. Save at least like 2 to 3 hours just to set it up. It is that demanding. As long as, like, if you have an external with a main controller, and also, because then you save 2 gigs of RAM, 1 gig of RAM, depends. Yeah, maybe I should try doing this video at some point with an external DC. That could work. Oh, there you go, we got you the client. But maybe with an external main controller, I could have one host, maybe even 2 hosts, who knows. Or these server systems with expired licenses in your inventory. I think that's okay. So we have a alarm, chart service, yeah, that's because of the RAM. That's okay. So as you can see, that's vSphere client. It's pretty beautiful. You can manage storage, you can manage networking options. Here's where your inventories, where you manage your hosts and clusters, your VMs and templates, storage, networking, libraries, inventory lists, domains, update manager, licensing thingies, all from one unified system. It's amazing to manage your entire virtualized environment. So as you can see, interface pretty friendly. You got the about menu as usual. You can reload it. Here you can also set up, send feedback to the client team. No thanks. Change team. There's this dark team and then normal team here. Okay, so it's not using disk anymore. That's good news. 0%. Oh, sweet. 77. Never mind. Using that all the time. Okay, might not render well. Okay, so Dell plugins might not render well because they were not made for this team, but it's okay. Change time format, VM console preference. Yeah, if only we could add a host. Let me show you guys how you do that. Host and clusters. So click here, add new data center, and then you call like lab local, for example. It's just a. So we go there, click on add host, and then let's say I have this server like esxi01.vm.lab, which is offline, of course, because I don't have name and location. Great. So here's the connection settings. Gonna add name and password. As it's not on, nothing's gonna happen. But then it would prompt me to summary. First of all, it would show the SSH code and a warning. And then you could proceed, assign the license if you want to assign a free license or a paid license to it, and then enable lockdown mode, which is pretty much like, you can only access this host from vSphere, or if it can still be managed from the ESXi web panel. So you can opt for only the client itself, vSphere, or ESXi and the client. There's an other option which you forgot. I think it's under SSH only, but still. Yeah, the VM location is like the data store where the VMs are, and boom, it's ready to go. Simple as that. I wish I could demonstrate how to do that, but as you guys know, I got no RAM for that, so let's just pretend. But yeah, you can like check the monitor. It's gonna show issues going on. Here's a few settings. You can be setting up permissions, or your VMs gonna be listed here. The templates, the apps, the VM folders, the data stores that you have set up. Can I even? I don't think you can add a data store. Network updates. I don't think it's possible without host or no cluster. You can apply a template. You can create a no virtual machine. Create a no virtual machine and then select the location. Virtual machine name. You select your compute resource. We don't have any, so not gonna happen. But yeah, I think that's it for the video. I'm really sorry about not being able to demonstrate the whole operation because of lack of RAM, but yeah, it's pretty cool, as you guys can see. I wish I could show you guys more, but I'm kind of limited, so that's what we can do from now. I hope it helped you guys though to learn how to deploy it and how to manage it. That's pretty much it for today. See you guys in the next one. Y'all take care and make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you wish, or leave a dislike if you feel like so. It's up to you and me. I know it wasn't the greatest of the videos, so it's up to you. Goodbye and take care.